Okay, so this next exercise is going to be a mobility or ankle mobility exercise. It's essentially an ankle mobility test, but you can make it into an exercise or mobility drill. And so what you're gonna do is we're working on assessing and treating your ankle dorsiflexion mobility, which is big into running, squatting, jumping, all kinds of dynamic movements, lunges, things that you need to really get into that full dorsiflexion motion of the ankle. We need typically a minimum of 12 to 15 degrees for a walk. You're talking about 20 plus degrees as we start to get further into true running and form. So here I'm going to show you the test and the treatment with it of going through the exercise. So find yourself a wall or a post. You are going to put yourself or your foot a little bit more than one hand's breadth away, okay? So toe will set up this way, and you're going to be in a half kneeling position. So kind of a kneeling lunge or half kneeling position. And what you're going to do is you are going to lunge forward. Now we're looking at creating the angle here at this angle, this dorsiflexion angle. So you're going to lunge forward, trying to bring your knee to the wall, okay? So you're gonna see, as I lunge forward, boom, run into that wall pretty easily. So I'm going to bring myself back a little bit more. So a little bit more than a hand's breadth. I'm gonna spread my fingers out. You want it to be ideally 4 to 6 inches away from there. And I'm going to now use this as an exercise along with the test. So I'm going to, same thing, come forward. All right, now I'm kind of getting to my limits here, making sure the heel is staying on the ground. And I'm going to just work my way into this motion of going into the wall.